the snowmobiles out, boys. Let's get it. Here it is, boys. 99 Polaris Indy 340. A pretty solid little ski. She hasn't ran in 3 years. It's been sitting in that shed. Needs new gas, carbs clean. When we put it up, we had issues with the actual fuel pickup, so maybe we'll have to look at that. But right before we put it up, we did rebuild the top end. It did run pretty mint, so shouldn't be too hard to get going. So let's get it. Put a little oil down there. Oof, that's corroded. See that in there? All right. So here are the carbs. This would be the left one, this would be the right one. Look pretty normal so far. I know this choke was really corroded, pretty much stuck in there. So let's go ahead and tear into these and see what we're getting into. Pretty corroded in there, you can see that. Carbs are clean. Got them all out and cleaned up. You can see they're out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put them back in. I gotta replace a couple fuel lines. I'm gonna check the fuel pickup, and I gotta put new gas in it. So after that, we'll see what happens. All right, let's get it. Are back on, new fuel lines. I gotta go to Tractor Supply, get some more fuel line, and then get some gas and a new fuel filter. So after that, we'll be good to go. So, all right, here it is. We got the spark plug, gas lines, fuel filter, new gas. We gotta get that gas out of there, and then we'll be ready to go, boys. I mean, getting close, getting close. All right, boys. Now sometimes this works. You put a hose in your gas tank, the air compressor. Make sure you shut your gas valve off. Pressurize the tank, and there should be gas coming out of here. Should be. Sometimes it don't work. Alright, boys, I'm about to put the plugs in, but I was kind of priming it up a little bit. You can see when I pull it, you can see that fuel is already in that filter. So we're getting gas to the carburetors. So now I'm gonna pull a couple more times and put the new plugs in and fire it up. Hopefully, I'm hoping there's not a mouse nest or anything in the exhaust, which is very likely, but we'll find out here in a minute. Let's get it. Well, there you have it, boys. I figured it'd be a pretty easy startup. But we're supposed to get 8 inches of snow tonight. That's why I got it out. So hopefully I'll catch you in the morning and we'll get to cruise this thing around a little bit. So we'll see you then.